If Capcut is showing a storage error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you two simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll clear the cache, and if that is not enough, we'll change the saving location so Capcut can use a drive with more free space. This is a quick and easy fix for anyone running into storage issues while editing. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Capcut tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Capcut on your PC. Once Capcut is open, look for the settings icon and click it. In the settings menu, choose settings again if needed, so you can access the main storage and cache options. Now look for the cache section. You should see a delete icon next to the cache size. Click that delete icon to clear the cache. This removes temporary files that can build up over time and cause storage problems, slow performance, or editing errors. After clearing the cache, give Capcut a moment to process the change, then check if the storage error is gone. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is change the saving location. This is especially helpful if your main drive is almost full, because Capcut needs enough space for drafts, temporary files, and cache data. To do this, go back into settings and find the performance section. Inside performance, look for the option for drafts and cache location. Click on it and select a different drive, preferably an external drive or any drive that has more free space available. Make sure the new location has plenty of room because Capcut will use it for editing files and cached data. Once you choose the new drive, save the change and let Capcut update the storage path. After that, restart Capcut if needed, then try your project again. In many cases, simply clearing the cache and moving the drafts and cache location to a better drive will completely fix the storage error. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Capcut fixes, editing tips, and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.